I wanna be a billionaire so fucking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. I wanna be on the cover of.
Good day everyone, I'm Mio and together with my partner Sheila, we are going to discuss about pharmacy salary in the Philippines. For that, we will first discuss the different opportunities for us pharmacists after we graduate and the different factors affecting our salary. First off, we have community pharmacy.
Community or retail pharmacy. It deals with concepts, theories, and principles of marketing pharmaceutical products and entrepreneurship of pharmacy business. Aside from healthcare administration, the course includes pharmaceutical management, business planning, feasibility studies, as well as product information, price, promotion, and distribution.
Hospital pharmacy.
Hospital pharmacist uses specialist knowledge to dispense drugs and advise patients about the medicines they have been prescribed. Works collaboratively with other healthcare professionals to devise the most appropriate drug treatment for patients.
And thirdly, we have clinical pharmacy.
Clinical pharmacy. It focuses with the clinical or hospital aspects of pharmacology, such as giving patient accurate drug information and advising physician in possible pharmaceutical treatments in specialized areas of practice such as psychiatry, ambulatory care, cardiology, pediatrics, critical care, and neurology.
Fourth, manufacturing pharmacy.
Manufacturing pharmacist concentrates on the study of principles, methods, and technology involved in the research, development, and production of various pharmaceutical products, including the requirements for packaging, equipment, and manufacturing.
And lastly, we have academia.
Finally, this is the most interesting part, the salary levels. In the Philippines, pharmacists in private and government sector shall receive a starting salary equivalent to salary grade level 15, which amounts to about 24,000 to 26,000 pesos a month. However, fresh graduates of BS Pharmacy at the entry level actually earns about 8,000 to 13,000 a month, while those who have more experience and work in supervisory positions have a salary range of 15,000 to 20,000 per month. Provided in this table are the estimated salaries of pharmacists in the Philippines.